Given the following logical statements, translate the compound logical statements into words. So we have P is Mickey is a mouse, Q, Donald is a duck, R, Minnie is a cat. And we're going to take these symbolic forms and write the sentences that correspond to them. This is our and. All right, that is our and. That almost looks like an A. So P and Q. You can that's one strategy to really translate these, is to think about what the symbol is in words and then just fill in these statements in words. So P was Mickey is a mouse, and Q was Donald is a duck. Try to pause and try the next part. See if you can make these into sentences. Then go ahead and hit play and follow along with me. This is Q or not P. And remember, with the nots, we don't put the word in front. We're not going to say not Mickey is a mouse. We're going to say Mickey is not a mouse. So just be aware that that negation gets inserted into the middle of the statement. Donald is a duck, or Mickey is not a mouse. All right, we have a negation here on the outside of parentheses. Remember, when that happens, we use that it is not a case that, and then whatever follows the that is what's inside those parentheses. It is not the case that P and R. All right, P was Mickey is a mouse and Minnie is a cat. Mickey is a mouse and Minnie is a cat. Now I got a little ahead of myself. So let's talk about why. I just started without looking at the full statement. I dove straight in and I said, okay, it's not the case that Mickey is a mouse and Minnie is the cat. That's what this front portion is. But remember that this conditional, one-way conditional, makes it into an if-then statement. Now this is easily fixable. I'm just going to change this part to a lowercase if, it, and we're going to put the word if in front of it. If it is not the case that Mickey is a mouse and Minnie is a cat, then, right, there's my then, and now we insert Donald is a duck. So remember, with that one-way conditional, we have if at the front and then where that single arrow is. Then Donald is a duck. With the biconditional, the two ways, that's our if and only if. So we have not are, which is that Minnie is not a cat. If and only if, that's our two-way arrow. P or Q. P was Mickey is a mouse or Donald is a duck.